Hello Windows Universe. In this video we will look at how you can check the battery health for your Windows 10 laptop. For a more in-depth look at the problem, be sure to check out the article we will link in the description below. Open the command prompt as an administrator. Type in power CFG space hyphen energy space hyphen output and a folder name. I'll use power lowercase report .html and hit enter. The system will analyze your computer for power and battery performance. If you did not specify a location to save the report, it will be in the System32 folder. Open the File folder, go to Windows, click on Windows, go down to System32, and look for the report. This will give you an idea of how efficient your battery is and other information. If you look at design capacity and then what it reached in the last full charge, it can give you an idea of the expected battery life. For instance, if you've only got 50% or less, then you can only reasonably expect the battery to last a few more months. If you do not want to use the command prompt for this, then there are several freeware applications you can download and use to run these efficiency tests. We offer links to them in the article. For more helpful articles to help you maximize your Windows experience, go to our website, thewindowsclub.com. Do not forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, where we are always adding new content aimed at making you the master of your digital house. Thanks for watching and have a great day.